It's cold. Put blank your coat. Up, off, on. So when you say put on something, means wear something. So put on. The TV is very loud. Can you it down? Make, turn, put. Well, when the TV is loud, we usually say turn it down. Means reduce the volume or make it wider. So turn it down. Henry likes to make stories about dinosaurs. On, up, down. What do you think, guys? Well, when we say make up stories, it means invent stories. So up is the correct answer here. I have a friend speaks 4 languages. Which or who? Which comes after a thing? Who comes after a person? The word here is friend, which is a person, so we use who. I have a friend who speaks 4 languages. You answer correctly the questions or the questions correctly. Guys, always follow this rule. You answered what, then how. Answered what? The questions. How? Correctly. So this is the correct answer. You answered the questions correctly. This is what and this is how. She speaks English well or well English. She speaks what? English. How? Well. This one. She speaks English well. You do this one. He drives fast. The car or the car fast. Follow the same rule. What, then how, and answer. Let me see your answers in the comments. Go the stairs to the 2nd floor. Over, on, up. Well, look at this. He is going up the stairs. And here, he is going down the stairs. So the correct answer is up. Go up the stairs to the 2nd floor. He threw the phone blank the water. On, under, into. Here's the water. And you're here. You throw the phone into the water. When something moves from outside to inside, we use into. This one. He threw the phone into the water. The dog jumped blank the wall. On, over, above. Well, here's the wall. Now, if the dog is standing or walking, we use on. The dog is walking on the wall because he's touching the wall. But if the dog is jumping from one side to the other, here we use over because he's moving. So the key word in this question is jumped. So we use over. The dog jumped over the wall. This one. What about this? Above. Well, if there is something here, like a lamp or something, not touching the wall, we say above. The lamp is above the wall. So again, we use on if the thing is touching. We use above if not touching. And we use over if it's moving from one side to the other. Clear? Every morning I get blank my bicycle and go to school. Over and on. Same rule. Here's the bicycle, and here you are sitting, touching, right? So we use on. I get on my bicycle. This one. We took a boat blank the river. Across, on, into. Here is the river, and here is the boat. When it goes from one side to the other, we say across. The boat sails across the river. Also, when you cross the road, here you are, and you walk to the other side, so you walk across the road. This one. We took a boat across the river. Did you learn something new today, guys? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.